Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today I will show you an amazing asset, Mobile Drift Physics for Unity. Is a top-rated package for mobile racing games. If you want to add realistic drifting to your project, AiKodex's solution is perfect and very easy to use. It is fully optimized for Android and iOS, so you get high performance and smooth controls. Let's take a look at the details and see how it works. Installing the asset is very easy and fast. After you buy it, just open the package manager in Unity. Find Mobile Drift Physics and click Import. It's a lightweight package, so it loads in seconds. Once it's finished, you will see the folders in your project. Inside, you can find the demo scenes. Just open the demo, press play, and you are ready to drift. The setup is very user-friendly. You can easily add your own car models or change the drift settings in the inspector. Everything is organized and clean. No complex coding is needed. The asset comes with 3 different mobile control styles ready to use. You can choose a steering wheel, arrows, or buttons. They are all pre-configured and work perfectly. You don't need to spend hours creating a UI from scratch. This makes the gameplay very smooth and professional. You can change the color of your car easily within the demo. It's very simple to customize the paint to make your vehicle look unique. Also, look at the wheels. You can customize them easily using simple PNG textures. This is a smart solution for mobile optimization. Instead of using heavy 3D models, you can change the rims with 2D textures. This keeps your game very fast and the file size small, but it still looks great in 3D. The package includes 3 different car models. Each car is fully set up and ready to drive. You can choose the one that fits your game style, or use all of them to give more options to your players. This asset will definitely make your work much easier, I am sure of it. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get it on the Unity Asset Store.